Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 13. The name of Anandita Ferisa Putri and Nadia Ayu Septiani Putri are going to talk about a movie called The Menu that released in 2022. The movie Background. The Menu is a dark comedy thriller directed by Mark Mylod. The story follows a young couple who travel to a remote island to dine at an exclusive restaurant run by the famous chef Julian Slowik. Throughout the meal, the guests experience a series of shocking and symbolic dishes that reveal hidden truths about art, class, and obsession. The movie explores themes such as the loss of authenticity in creativity, the power dynamics between artists and consumers, and the meaning of true satisfaction. Set in a luxurious yet eerie environment, The Menu uses food as a metaphor to critique modern culture obsession with status and perfection. Scene explanation. The scene shows the chef making the burger after Margot challenged Chef Slowik by asking for something simple. A classic cheeseburger instead of the elaborate and pretentious dishes he's been serving throughout the evening. The chef, who has lost his passion for true cooking, finds a moment of genuine joy in making this straightforward, nostalgic meal. He carefully prepares the burger, shows in the shot, with melted cheese and a sesame seed bun. The next is cultural value. This scene highlights American culture values such as individuality, authenticity, and simplicity. When Chef Slowik makes a cheeseburger for Margot, it reflects how American culture often values personal satisfaction and the freedom to choose what one truly enjoys, rather than following social expectation. The cheeseburger, through humble, represents honesty and a return to basic pleasure. It shows that true fulfillment comes from sincerity and passion, not from luxury or status. The scene also portrays a moment of humanity and emotional connection between the chef and the customer, which contrasts with the cold, perfectionist atmosphere of fine dining earlier in the movie. Cultural symbol. The first is beef patty, symbol of Western fast food culture and working class roots, reminds people that food can be both affordable and meaningful. The second is enjoy the cooking process. Enjoying the cooking process symbolizes passion, creativity, and sincerity. It reflects the true joy of making food from the heart, not for the status or perfection.
The next cultural symbol is the fresh cheeseburger. So, the cheeseburger represents American values such as freedom and individuality. It shows that happiness can come from something simple and familiar, rather than from expensive or fancy things. The cheeseburger is also often enjoyed during family gatherings or outdoor events, making it a symbol of togetherness and comfort in everyday life. The next cultural symbol is when Margot eating cheeseburger. This scene symbolizes simplicity and childhood nostalgia in American culture. It suggests that comfort and honesty can be found in the most ordinary things, like enjoying a basic cheeseburger. Margot's choice highlights her desire for something real and sincere instead of pretentious food served earlier. The last cultural symbol is when Margot paying for the burger. Margot paying for the burger shows her respect for the chef's effort and skill. It represents the belief that everyone deserves to be treated fairly and appreciated for their work. This simple action also reflects the value of humility and genuine human connection. We move to the next slide. So this is the comparison with Indonesia. In Indonesian culture, food is shared communally, with several dishes placed in the center for everyone to enjoy together. Eating is viewed as a moment of connection, where families and friends strengthen relationships. Meals symbolize harmony, respect for others, and hospitality, especially when welcoming guests. Meanwhile, in American culture, food is commonly experienced individually, where each person orders or prepares their own meal based on personal taste. Eating emphasizes convenience, efficiency, and self-expression. People often choose food that reflects their personal lifestyle, preferences, or dietary needs. So the overall difference are Indonesia highlights togetherness and collective enjoyment, where sharing food represents unity. Meanwhile, American culture tends to highlight independence and personal preference, making food a more individualized experience. The next slide is about our personal reflection. From the menu 2022, we see that American food culture values individuality, creativity, and emotion. Food reflects identity and social class, with each dish carrying meaning. In contrast, Indonesians see food as something that unites people. The contrast between fine dining and the simple cheeseburger shows that sincerity and simplicity bring true joy. Indonesians can learn to appreciate food as both nourishment and creative expression while staying humble and valuing togetherness.